Nvidia is truly at the forefront of the AI revolution, and its annual GTC conference has become a must-watch event. This year, CEO Jensen Huang unveiled the Blackwell platform, now in full production, which is a game-changer for AI chip technology. Looking ahead, we can expect the Rubin platform next year and Feynman in 2028, exciting milestones that showcase Nvidia's commitment to innovation. The partnership with General Motors to develop self-driving cars further cements Nvidia's leadership in robotics and autonomous vehicles. Despite some macroeconomic headwinds and rising competition from DeepSeek, Nvidia's stock remains a focal point for investors. Huang's key forecast during the keynote not only reassures investors about Nvidia's trajectory, but also reflects the broader potential of the AI industry. The future is bright, and Nvidia is leading the charge. Before we begin, this video is not an investment advice and must do your own diligence. However, with my experience investing for years, the content from this video has a solid research foundation. Check our Patreon on the description below for an inside members-only access on what are the best buys now. We will also update you on what to sell for gains or to avoid losses. Subscribe to our channel so you will never miss out. Nvidia's CEO presented a chart based on analyst predictions, showing that global data center capital spending is expected to grow significantly. It was estimated at around $250 billion in 2023, rising to $500 billion this year and reaching $1 trillion by 2028. During the presentation, the Nvidia CEO reiterated a previous statement, saying, "I've said before that I expect data center expansion to reach $1 trillion, and I'm fairly certain that will happen very soon." He explained that this growth is being driven by accelerated computing, an area Nvidia has focused on for years. He also highlighted the increasing recognition that software development requires significant capital investment, especially as machine learning and large language models continue to expand AI capabilities. The majority of Nvidia's revenue comes from its data center business, and the company remains the dominant provider of data center GPUs, graphics processing units, which power AI applications like chatbots and AI agents. Nvidia's future is closely tied to data center capital spending. Some concerns about the company's stock come from the fact that this type of spending is cyclical, meaning it could decline during an economic downturn. In the fourth quarter, 91% of Nvidia's revenue came from data centers, making it the company's fastest-growing division. If global data center spending doubles between 2025 and 2028, Nvidia's data center revenue is also expected to double or possibly grow even faster as the company introduces new products and platforms like Rubin and Feynman. Nvidia's stock declined after its fourth quarter earnings report, even though the company delivered 78% revenue growth, exceeded expectations, and provided strong guidance. Amid a weakening economy, investor enthusiasm for the AI leader appears to be fading. However, if CEO Jensen Huang's outlook proves correct, Nvidia still has significant growth potential ahead. Additionally, projections for data center expansion do not yet include edge computing applications, such as robotics and autonomous vehicles, which could become major revenue drivers in the future. Following the recent sell-off, Nvidia's stock now trades at a price-to-earnings ratio of 39, with a forward P/E below 26. Analysts expect earnings per share to grow by 50% this year. At this valuation, Nvidia is priced similarly to the S&P 500, making it look like a strong investment opportunity given its momentum in AI, current growth, and increasing demand for data center technology. Concerns about Nvidia's stock may be overstated. The company does not need data center spending to reach $1 trillion by 2028 to remain successful. At its current valuation, it only needs to outperform the S&P 500 starting next year and beyond. That should be an achievable target for a company whose revenue is nearly doubling, is leading advancements in AI, and is positioned to stay at the forefront of technology for years to come. Investors largely dismissed Huang's keynote, with Nvidia's stock declining on Tuesday, but this reaction is not unexpected. Given the continued rise in data center spending, long-term investors can look past concerns about trade policies and consumer spending, remaining confident that Nvidia will continue to be a dominant force in the industry. Give us a like if you like our video, subscribe, and ring the bell to never miss out. Check our Patreon for an inside look on what are the best buy and sell stocks every week.